Again, I'm back with another one. So, like I mentioned, what do you do if you were to see your video millisecond by millisecond if it is very small, or how do you minimize it if you were to be very big? How do you minimize it so that you can see them in one page? Because as you remember, this audio previously it was very long, so we had to go this way. We had to swipe toward the right so that we can see what is the remaining. So how do you do that without swiping? How do you make all the whole movie or video part into one disc screen? This only from here to here. Unfortunately, our video is very short, so the first one that we can do is maximize it. How do you expand it? How do you make it very long? Which means how do you enlarge it so that you can see it millisecond by millisecond? The one to do is here. I will, as you see here, in this setting I can expand it. There you go. So here, this is how you will see it clearly. See, millisecond by millisecond. If you wanna do it more as well, this is how far it can go. Like I said, you're not able to see all of them at the same page. So what do you do to see them in one page? That's also same thing. Actually, it's on this setting here. You can just drag it, adjust it, and so that you can see your videos in one screen. The other shortcut is using the Command plus is to maximize, which is to make it large, as you see here. When I do Command plus, it will be bigger. If I do Command minus, it will also be smaller. See, it's very smaller. So this is I think very good size. It's a little bit. There you go. This is a good size where I can see my contents clearly. And I hope this is helpful. And the next part, I'll show you on how to export it. Like I said, you are in the editing. You're editing your video. What it means is you have all the video, the content of the video, but they are all in parts. And also they're not shareable, which I mean is they cannot share it with other people unless you share it the project. So you're not able to share this video as a content. To do that, you have to export it. I'll show you in the next video. Stay tuned.